Need your Assurance Wireless account number but want to avoid calling? You can quickly find it through the mobile app or online portal. Since 2024, Assurance Wireless has prioritized digital self-service, making these options the fastest way to retrieve your account number. The account number is essential for billing inquiries, device replacements, or plan changes. Let's walk through the mobile app method first. Now, the online portal method. Let's walk through each method. To access your account number via the app, first download the Assurance Wireless app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your phone number and PIN. If you forgot your PIN, use the Forgot PIN option to reset it via email or SMS. After logging in, navigate to the Account or Profile tab, then look under Account Details or Billing Info to find your account number. For the online portal, go to assurancewireless.com and click My Account to access the login page. Sign in using your phone number and PIN. Once logged in, your account number will be displayed in the Account Overview section or in the top right corner of the dashboard. Both the app and portal use security features like encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect your data. These digital tools are free and can be accessed even without a data plan by using Wi-Fi.